If you're after a budget meal that feeds the whole family in under 15 minutes, then you must try my Asian-inspired cashew chicken.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So I want to keep this meal healthy as well. Many people think if food is quick and cheap, it must be unhealthy. Not true. So into a wok or a large pan, I add in coconut oil and let it melt down and bring it up to a high heat. You want that wok smoking. Nothing is burning, but you will want that high heat to stir fry. Add in the chicken thighs, but add it in batches for only 2 minutes each. If you overcrowd the wok, you'll end up stewing the chicken, and we want some color on them. Now the chicken won't be cooked all the way through, but we will finish that later on, so remove the chicken and set aside. For the vegetables, I add in sliced onion and bell pepper or capsicum and stir fry them for 2 minutes. Then I add in some chili garlic sauce with some minced garlic. Next I add in some ground ginger, salt and pepper, rice wine, and mix well over that high heat. Now you can add in as much vegetables as you want. You can add in broccoli as well, which helps bulk up the dish. Add the chopped chicken thighs back into the wok and mix well. Now add sesame oil and roasted unsalted cashews. Again, mix that through and cook for 5 minutes. Finally, add in some sesame seeds, mix through, and you're ready to serve. You can serve it family style or plate it up individually. Scatter some scallions or spring onions over the top along with those wok juices. Finish it with extra sesame seeds and you have a meal that's better than takeout and quicker than anything Uber Eats can get you. Plus, you'll feel so much better knowing you've made it and you know what's in it.